HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us calculate a median for an even number of scores. Let's find the median age of 14 people at a party. The age scores are in black, and the position of the age is above the age in green. Let's start with the general formula. The median is the average of the score in position n divided by 2 and the score in position n divided by 2 plus 1. Since n is 14, let's substitute n for the number of scores. The median will be the average of score number 7, because 7 is 14 divided by 2, and score 8, because 8 is 14 divided by 2 plus 1. Score 7 is 19 and score 8 is 23, so the median is the average of 19 and 23. The average is equal to the sum of the scores divided by 2. The sum of the two scores is 19 plus 23 equals 42. 42 divided by 2 is 21, which is the median. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.